Hello, my name is Megan Adams. I attend the University of South Florida and I am a freshman this year. My major is business under accounting and I have not declared my minor yet. So, for this project, we first look at the sales per state in descending order. So, we can see at the top we have New Jersey. And then if we scroll down, we can see that Massachusetts is at the bottom. And it's interesting to see that comparison because they're roughly in the same geographic area, but they have such a variance in data. On our third slide, we can see average sales per state. And again, we have New York at the top, then we have New Jersey, and then DC. Interesting to see. And moving on, we next have, what's interesting about this data set is that there is not a big variance in data. We can see at the top we have Maine with 1,399, and then scroll down at the bottom, we can see that the lowest one is at 1,230. So really not a big variance in data from top to bottom. Next, we have a breakdown of the sum of sales in a region instead of individual state. So here we can see that at the top we have the Northeast region and they're far ahead of the other regions. And then in contrast, we can also see that New England is far behind the majority of the regions. Interesting to see a breakdown like that per region instead of state. Next for analysis, okay, this one was interesting. It has the sales per region, but then we also have salespersons. So we can see how that affects, like people affect the sales per region. It's an interesting breakdown. Moving on, we have, this graph does the sales per region, but also showing our insurance type. So we have the professional insurance type, and then we have the auto, and then we have home and disability, and then life insurance. And we can see in both the Northeast and Southeast, professional is at the top and life is at the bottom in both graphs. Interesting to see that breakdown. And then for our final analysis, we have a geographic analysis of all the data. So we can see based on the color scale, which data is like in the middle. We can see which ones are like ahead and which ones are a little bit behind. So it's interesting to see on a map of the US, like where the data shows. Yep, that's my project. Bye.